channel. So today you'll be seeing me wearing the wig that I wore in my last video. This is the same deep ash blonde wig, the 22-inch wig that I had in the last video. I curled it to give it a bit of a wave pattern and a festive feel. I wanted you guys to see and experience the hair in two different styles, so I decided why not shoot a sequel video, if you may say, for this wig, so that you can get the different feels that you get from the hair. So I curled it last night and the curls have held up really well, and it's giving me deep wave feels. I love the hair. So if you guys are interested in this unit, please reach out to me on my Gmail account. I will leave it linked in the description box. And if you like what you see, if you enjoy the YouTube video, like, comment, subscribe, share, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!
I don't need no roses on my bed. If I could pull you closer to me, babe. Ain't nobody touch me like you can. I just need some closure, a little closure.
Calling you up at 2 in the morning, but you don't wanna talk, you don't wanna bother. Yeah, so I take another shot, let my brain do the walking. I don't wanna be your friend, I want something real. Maybe if I stay the night, you could feel the same. And maybe if you treat me right, we could rearrange. But I'm not even gonna try if you don't wanna stay. So how's it gonna be? You got me on my knees. I don't need no roses on my bed. If I could pull you closer to me, babe. Ain't nobody touch me like you can. I just need some closure, a little closure from you. Tear me apart when I know you don't want me. Cause I've been going fast and you wanna go slowly. Maybe I'm just wasting time. Tell me how you feel. I don't wanna be your friend, I want something real. Maybe if I stay the night, you could feel the same. And maybe if you treat me right, we could rearrange. But I'm not even gonna try if you don't wanna stay. So how's it gonna be? You got me on my knees. I don't need no roses on my bed. If I could pull you closer to me, babe. Ain't nobody touch me like you can. I just need some closure, a little closure. I don't need no roses on my bed. If I could pull you closer to me, babe. Ain't nobody touch me like you can. I just need some closure, a little closure from you. A little closure, babe. Oh, a little closure. Little closure from you. I don't need no roses on my bed. If I could pull you closer to me, babe. Ain't nobody touch me like you can. I just need some closure, a little closure. I don't need no roses on my bed. If I could pull you closer to me, babe. Ain't nobody touch me like you can.
I know that I'm winning.